Huawei Nova 6 5G is all set to launch on December 5th in China. Now, a week before the official launch event, Huawei has opened up reservations for the device on stores like Huawei Mall, Wemall.com in China. The reservation pages bears a complete design of the upcoming smartphone, including two storage variants, 8GB RAM plus 128GB and 8GB RAM plus 256GB. The Huawei Nova 5G reservation page also bears a complete design of the handset. The phone will come in 4 color options: black, blue, purple-blue gradient and a special red shade. The red color version is special because it comes with a Nova 6 print all over the body. It's subtle and looks pretty unique. Apart from the colors, the images also confirm that the Nova 6 5G will come with a dual punch hole display on the front and a quad camera setup at the back. We can also see a fingerprint sensor on the right side of the device. Finally, the company has confirmed that there will be a 4G version of the device as well. The Huawei Nova 6 5G could be housing the same 6.57-inch IPS LCD display that is available on the Honor V30. The punch hole houses 2 camera sensors, out of which one is a 32-megapixel sensor. The company has confirmed that the phone will allow the user to capture 105-degree wide-angle selfie shots. The phone is expected to come equipped with a Sony IMX686 60-megapixel quad camera setup on its back. We could also see the Kirin 810 powered Nova 6 SE smartphone alongside the Nova 6 on December 5th.